Okay, let's see how well this goes. I think it's ready. Oh. Where is my pumpkin scraper? Oh, it's coming out. Never mind. Take your time. Beautiful. Did I stick my pumpkin scraper somewhere? Ooh, this is so sticky.
The batter good.
I probably should have put it in the fridge before I went to Walmart.
Why not just a blobby monster?
Yeah, this could be overproofed, but it could be perfect. Okay. Have you seen that pumpkin scraper?
No, honey.
It's not on that counter over there.
Uh-huh.
Where I left it.
Yeah, here it is.
I don't have a dough scraper. I use a pumpkin scraper. It was something I had on hand and it works great.
In this crazy house, sourdough comes before tacos.
Well, that's because she needed some attention. As soon as we got here.
Excuse me?
I was thinking about her the whole time.
So there's a... Huh.
Into a strainer with a flour-lined beater. Because you use what you have. And yes, I have used a wife beater. What is it? An undershirt? Whatever you call it.
It's a beater.
A beater.
Everybody knows a beater.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've used them before. And they work fine. They actually put this nice little texture on it. And the good thing is, you don't have to spend money when you don't need